Earthquake again hit Turkey. Osmaniye, Turkey, the 27th of February, an earthquake shook southeast Turkey on Monday, killing one person, injuring 110 and causing 29 buildings to collapse, Turkish authorities said, triggering frantic work to rescue several people believed trapped in rubble. The latest aftershock, with a magnitude of 5.6 and depth of 6.15 kilometers, hit 3 weeks after a massive quake that killed more than 50,000 people in Turkey and Syria. A rescue team carried out one man alive, strapped to a stretcher, from the rubble of a building in the province of Malatya, live footage on broadcaster CNN Turk showed.
Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to receive more videos from this channel.